The sun had just risen over the small town. Birds chirped happily, and a cool morning breeze filled the air. 10-year-old Ahmed woke up with a big smile because today was Saturday. Every Saturday, he loved going to the local market with his mother. After eating a simple breakfast of paratha and tea, Ahmed quickly put on his clean clothes and comfortable sandals. His mother handed him a reusable shopping bag. "Are you ready?" she asked. "Yes, Emmy," Ahmed replied excitedly. The local market was only a 15-minute walk from their home. As they walked, Ahmed greeted neighbors who smiled and waved back. The streets slowly became busier. Bicycles, motorcycles, and colorful rickshaws moved along the road. Shopkeepers were opening their stores, ranging fresh fruits and vegetables outside. When they reached the market, Ahmed looked around with wide eyes. Every corner was full of life. Vendors called out cheerfully, "Fresh mangoes, sweet mangoes, juicy oranges, buy 2 kilos." The market was filled with bright colors: red tomatoes, green cucumbers, yellow bananas, purple eggplants, and shiny apples made the stalls look like beautiful paintings. Ahmed's mother first stopped at the vegetable stall. The shopkeeper greeted them warmly. "Assalamu alaikum." "Welcome." "Wa alaikum assalam," they replied. Ahmed carefully helped his mother choose fresh potatoes, onions, carrots, spinach, and coriander leaves. He learned that good vegetables should look fresh, firm, and colorful. The shopkeeper smiled at Ahmed. "You have a good eye for fresh vegetables." Ahmed proudly thanked him. Next, they visited the fruit stall. The sweet smell of ripe mangoes filled the air. Ahmed saw watermelons stacked like green mountains. There were also peaches, grapes, guavas, and bananas. His mother bought a basket of mangoes because they were in season. Seasonal fruits are fresher and healthier, she explained. Ahmed nodded, remembering the lesson. As they walked further, delicious smells floated through the market. Fresh samosas sizzled in hot oil. Crispy pakoras were being fried. A baker pulled warm naan from a large clay oven. Ahmed's stomach rumbled. His mother laughed. "I think someone is hungry." She bought 2 hot samosas and a glass of fresh lemonade for both of them. They sat on a nearby bench and enjoyed their tasty snack. "It tastes wonderful," Ahmed said happily. After resting, they continued shopping. They visited the spice shop, where colorful spices were kept in large open containers. There was bright yellow turmeric, deep red. Chili powder, brown cinnamon. Sticks, green cardamom pods, black. Pepper and fragrant cloves. Wonderful aroma filled the entire shop. The shopkeeper carefully packed the spices while explaining how each one added flavor to different dishes. Ahmed loved learning something new. Nearby was a flower stall filled with beautiful roses, jasmine, marigolds, and lilies. Butterflies fluttered around the colorful flowers. Ahmed chose a small bunch of white jasmine flowers for his grandmother. "I'm sure she will love these," his mother said. Next came the toy shop. Wooden spinning tops, colorful kites, soft teddy bears, puzzles, and toy cars filled the shelves. Ahmed admired a bright red kite. His mother smiled. "You have been studying hard all month," she bought the kite as a small reward. Ahmed thanked her with a big hug. As they continued walking, they noticed a little boy looking worried. He stood near a clothing shop with tears in his eyes. Ahmed gently asked, "Are you okay?" "I can't find my mother," the little boy whispered. Ahmed and his mother stayed calm. They took him to the market information desk, where an announcement was made through the loudspeaker. A few minutes later, the boy's mother came running toward him. She hugged him tightly. "Thank you so much for helping my son." Ahmed felt happy that he had been able to help someone in need. Before leaving, Ahmed's mother bought fresh bread, milk, rice, lentils, and cooking oil. Ahmed carefully carried the lighter shopping bags, while his mother carried the heavier ones. On the way home, they passed a small park where children were flying colorful kites. Ahmed looked at the kite in his hand and smiled. "I can't wait to fly it this evening." When they reached home, grandmother welcomed them warmly. Ahmed proudly gave her the jasmine flowers. "They're beautiful," she said happily, placing them in a vase. The whole family helped unpack the groceries. Fresh vegetables went into baskets. Fruits were washed and arranged neatly, and spices were placed carefully in the kitchen cupboard. That evening, Ahmed's mother prepared a delicious dinner using the fresh vegetables they had bought from the market. The family sat together, enjoying the meal and sharing stories from the day.